Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about the stages or background images for your videos here in VideoSynth.ai. To create your backgrounds or stages, we need to go to the third option on the main menu, which is stage creation. Once there, we're going to see every other stage previously created, or we can see the option at the top right corner of the plus sign button that we can click to create a new stage. Then we're going to see several options. Now, the first option is going to be one of the most interesting tools that we have here, which is to create a background image or a stage using AI technology. So if you click here, you're going to get a box where you can type in the description of the stage that you need to create. You can be as vague or descriptive as you want, but keep in mind that the more information you provide, the better results you're going to get. You can also specify the style of the image. So if you want something more realistic, make sure to add that in the description. Or if you need something more cartoonish, also make sure to add that information in the text box. So I'm going to type in something right now, and we're going to see the results that we get using this tool from the app. All right, so that's the description that I added. Let's see what we get with this. Like here, I asked for an image of a building made with steel at one window, and we wanted it on the style of a noir movie. So of course the results were more realistic. So let's check them out. Now, if the results don't work for you, you need to be more descriptive. So I'm going to add more details here so it works better for a video. Okay, so these are the new results, and we're going to see that by letting the AI know that I need a big space in the middle, it's most likely going to give me something like the following images. Now, I think these results are way better than the one that we got before, because now we're being more specific with what we need. So for example, here we can have a character standing, and actually it looks good. We can see the other option, and it is this one. This still looks a little bit vague, so I will keep the first one. And here, again, we're not seeing the floor, so maybe we can specify, make sure that the floor is included in the image or something like that. But out of the four new ones, I think this one is perfect, and I will actually save this one. So to do that, we need to click on the top right corner. Then we're going to name here, which is going to be steel building. Then create. Now we can add some more details here. For example, we can change the character where we have some from the previous videos, so I can change here and add another one. We can also change a tint, which is some kind of coloring on the image depending on what you want to use for your video. So this one is a neutral one, but we can add something more, let's say here with a purple tone, or maybe something like this. It's just options that we have here for you. At this point, the image is ready for you to use on any other video. So you're going to find it here on the previous list, where before we only had one stage. But we're not done, because there were a lot of options that we haven't seen yet. Now we're going to go back to the plus sign at the top right corner, and the second option is to actually import a photo or image from our computer. We can take a photograph or use something from gallery, storage, or an URL. I'm going to upload something from a gallery, so I already have here a picture of a forest. So just as simple as that, we have a new background. We can save this one as well. Just type a name for this so you can remember what type of stage you have here. Then we can create it, and again, change the avatar. We can add a different tint to it. So if it looks way brighter for what you need on the video, we can tone this down using the tint options that we have for you. Now if this one is ready, we go back, and we're going to see that one on the list as well. Now the rest of the options are actually pre-made backgrounds for you. This is something that's already included in the app, so you can go through different options that we have here for you, and maybe you find something that's already there. So these are pattern backgrounds. We have particle backgrounds, which look a little bit different. There's some movement in many of those. Then we have also indoor backgrounds, which are general images that you might need for any type of videos. Then the same goes with outdoor 2D backgrounds, 3D backgrounds, and 3D outdoor scenes. But of course, as you already saw, you're not limited to using the ones that we already have in the app. You can add whatever you already have on your computer, or you can even make ones using AI. So I hope you like this feature. It is very cool to know that you have many options to explore, so you're not limited by nothing when creating your next video using VideoSynth.ai. I'll see you in the next one where we go through more features from the app. That's going to be later. Until then, goodbye.